Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and welcome to the KEDRON factory. So today we're going to have a run through Pat and Peter's new 21-foot all-terrain here. So it's on Raven Hill, getting ready to head down to Tasmania on the transport. So Pat and Pete are eagerly awaiting their new van, so we'll have a quick run through so the truck can get on the road and head down to Melbourne and get set to have this head across to Tasmania. As we say, 21 foot, this here is on the KEDRON KRS suspension with the airbag. On the front has the electric jack, there'll be a padded cover on that. Access hole to go in and turn those gas bottles on and off with ease with that alloy plate box. And then the lockable diesel filler there into the side of the van here. Slide out drawer barbecue provision, 300 amp lithium power pack inside. This is all set up for a full set of Aussie Traveller annex walls, KEDRON load rated alloys, Goodyear, Wrangler and the Duratrax. And underneath you can see the KRS suspension with those Firestone American airbags. Forward of this, the food grade Queensland made water tanks there, internally strengthened, and the baffles there that provide or assist with a really nice stable tow with the KEDRONs. Just an overlay shot here overtaking a B-double truck with a Hilux with the XC5 and the scrub pack in tow, and you can see how beautifully stable this is sitting here now. Back under the van you can see the hot dip galvanised chassis, so that there is the utmost amount of protection, and all KEDRON owners have the peace of mind of that hot dip galvanising since the first van manufactured. Alright, we'll step inside. At the entrance you can see the 6-door. So Pat and Peter have a 6-door pantry, so plenty of pantry space in this one. I'll just shut that door and step inside. So again, we would like to thank Pat and Peter down in Tassie for choosing KEDRON for your beautiful new van. You would be eagerly awaiting to get this down and pack up and get set for your travels when it's safe to do so. But again, on behalf of the whole KEDRON team and all the Gall family, thank you for choosing KEDRON from Tasmania. We have about 60% interstate orders at the moment. So a lot of interstate vans heading off to their new owners. And again, thank you for this. Thank you also for tuning in and all the fantastic support with our extended KEDRON YouTube family. We really appreciate it. So Pat and Peter have gone with a silver look and charcoal in those drawer fronts. A nice marble look in that laminate there. Wrapping into that large stainless steel sink. 4-burner separate griller in the full oven. Splashback with the large window above the kitchen. Plenty more LED lighting and mains power. All facing down. Including a slim line in the range hood. Open up, we have a left to right opening door on this one for the electronics inside. Kenwood head unit connects to the TV, DVD, so you can listen to your movies or your TV through the roof speakers or the ceiling speakers. This also has the Bluetooth, your main switches here to turn on and off, circuit press resetters, controls for the charger and inverter combi unit. Above this are the readouts for the state of charge for that lithium power pack, the solar charge going in, so you can see at the moment out in the sun, it's floating between 45 and 58 there at the start. With a bit of sun coming back out, it'll float back up. It's a bit cloudy outside at the moment. Your vehicle DC to DC input, and then also your water level indicators for your shower, drinking and grey water tanks. Also here is a readout for the electronics cabinet temperature outside as well. Up to the top left is the dual controller for the rooftop air as well as the outside instantaneous gas hot water system. So with this here, Pat and Peter can have that shut off and turned off, so it's got that nice clean kitchen look there as well. Microwave up top here has the stainless steel brackets to secure in Some welcome gifts. There is some bubbles and chockies packed away for Pat and Peter when they have their new van arrive, as well as some welcome gifts here on top of that custom deluxe pocket spring bamboo mattress there, locally made as well. We've also gone for a padded bed head. It certainly doesn't make it feel like it's a real super cozy and comfy area. Just the actual look of that itself against that stained American oak hardwood up top gives a beautiful finish there with those pelmets. Either side of the bed is 12-volt fans, variable speed with sleep timers, the gas code approved European Fiamma hatch up the top, so that all forms in part of that permanent roof to floor ventilation for the gas codes. Twin slimline windows either side of the bed itself. I've seen Pat and Peter had a couple of lift up marine carpeted shoe boxes there. There's a gas detector down the bottom. This has the diesel heater controls here, dual 240 outlets either end of that club dinette, as well as USB outlets to charge your phones. That there goes down and can make in, so this has an infill cushion. So you can press that button there with your foot and push that table down. Put the infill cushion in, and that will make almost a 7-foot long bed there when those bed ends or the cushion ends are taken out. The other adjuster there allows left, right, in and out on the table, so you can adjust that as you please. Another 12-volt fan here between the fridge and that club dinette. 2-door compressor fridge freezer here, so plenty of fridge and freezer space. And we'll just swivel around and show the full height entrance mirror into the ensuite. So it really opens the van up and gives that roomy feel. To the right hand side of this is the 6th door in the pantry. So open that up, full height in the stainless steel piano hinge, plenty of pantry space there. Entering into the ensuite in this style here, you can see it has the soft blue nightlight there next to the cassette toilet. It has a lift up linen recess there underneath that wall mounted washing machine. So that's all noggin in between that interlocked aluminium frame. More overhead storage there above the mirror, a ceramic oval basin there with the flick mixer tap, and more additional storage. Enter into the shower, has that slip and crack resistant powder coated alloy base there that's all folded and welded in-house here at the factory. Swivel that round, has the shampoo dispenser here and the shower head itself. Swiveling back around and looking up, this has the KEDRON design registered filtered compression hatch, so an Australian made filter with the unique ability to be able to access that via a swing down inside the van, so you can wash that out, dry it and put it back in. And then up top here in the ceiling, that is an aluminium die bond. Above that is a thermoblock non-toxic Australian made insulation. Back into the van and then into the walls. So inside here is an interlocked aluminium frame with non-toxic Australian made insulation between. This is also strengthened with high tensile steel punch pins. And then you can see where that wiring passes through that aluminium frame, the knock-in protection grommets there also. All right, everyone, thank you again for tuning in. Thanks again for all the support. We'll let the Ravenhill team pack up and we will pack down the van and get this set to head off on its travels down to the new owners. Thanks again for choosing KEDRON. We sincerely appreciate it. And we hope you enjoy your beautiful new van when it arrives down in Tassie. Thanks again for tuning in, everyone. All the very best. We might catch up on the track someday. If not, we might catch up with everyone on the next walkthrough. All the very best, everyone. Stay safe. Thanks again, and bye for now.